Kaayaayang araw guys! So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a Bento mom. I make fun and creative lunchboxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So it's Friday guys, so it's the last day of our Sanrio Bento series for the school week. We are on day 5. And for today, we are still gonna be doing another quick and easy na Sanrio Bento character. So let's check out and see kung sino gagawin natin for today. For today, we're gonna be doing Gudetama of Sanrio. And I think guys, this is gonna be the easiest so far na ginawa ko for this week for all the Sanrio characters that we have created, because we only have 2 ingredients for this one. For Gudetama, we just need sunny side up na egg. And then for the details, we just need nori. And then of course, we will put rice sa ating bento box. And then for the side dishes, for the ulam, we have Shanghai rolls or lumpiang Shanghai. And then for the vegetables, we have the vegetables in the pork nilaga. Yan. So I have pechay, corn, and potato. And then for her fruits, because we haven't gone to the grocery yet or the market, I'm gonna be giving her raisins. And of course, we're gonna be using our Lunchbox panino. Here, again, this is from Bright Brands PH. Yan. So the first thing that we're gonna be needing is to fill up the main compartment with rice. Okay? So just flatten the rice. And then we're gonna be putting the lumpiang Shanghai or Shanghai rolls here. So I'm just arranging it here. And then here we're gonna be putting the veggies. I have corn, and then the pechay, of course, and the potato. And also para may soup na din si Zion. So again, when you're preparing baon for your kids, make sure that your hands are clean. Okay? Not only baon, but also food in the home. Whenever you're preparing food, make sure that you wash your hands, okay? And sanitize your work area. So I'm just putting the soup here. And then here in the middle, of course, our raisins. There. And then I'm just gonna be putting the bento picks. So I'll spell out the name of Gudetama here. So when you're putting bento picks, it's also an advantage because, again, like what I always tell you, it's easier for the kids to actually pick up the food items without getting their hands dirty. So that is one advantage of using bento or food picks. There. And then we're just going to be putting one here sa my corn as well. Here, and then one here sa my raisins. There. Okay. So we've already arranged our side dishes. Now, let's set this one aside and cut the details of Gudetama. So, we'll just get a very, very small amount of nori. So, super little portion lang of the nori sheets. Here. So, we just need to cut very little oval shapes. Mahilig tayo sa oval shapes. Yan. So, let's do that. So there, these are the 2 oval shapes that we've cut. So we'll just set this one aside here. And then we just need to cut the mouth. So the details of Gudetama is very easy. The mouth is also like an oval shape, but it's like an outline there sa screen, as you can see. So for the mouth, ganyan lang siya, oval shape, and then I'll just fold it and cut the middle portion para magka-outline siya. So guys, for this one, you need a very fine tip scissors. Actually, yung sa akin nga hindi masyadong fine. It's very small kasi, so you really need fine tip scissors. Yan, so we've already outlined the mouth. So, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. There. So, it's like a letter O. Ganyan. There. So, we just need 2 oval shapes. And then, for the mouth, it's also an oval shape, but you have to cut the middle portion of it. There. Okay? So, we're now going to be putting the details here sa ating egg. So, it's that easy. We'll just put it here. And then here. And then yung kanyang mouth here. So that's it for Gudetama. There. Okay, so you just need to put it on top of the rice. Okay? So slowly put it on top of the rice. Especially if the egg yolks are malasado. So this is our finished product. So easy, right? And guys, I just wanna flex again. If you're wondering, this kneading board na super big, this is from Luwid Local. There is their website. You can check it out. They also have a Shopee account, and you can also message them on Instagram. I'm so happy with this one because it fits everything that I need for my food preparations. Ayan, as you can see, ito yung hand ko. So, kasya lahat here. So, this is a kneading board. If you wish to inquire, just message them sa Instagram. Okay? So, that's it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed what we did. If you enjoyed, please like and share this video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next vlog. Happy weekend. Bye!